Welcome back to Guess What Quiz.
Get ready for today's math quiz. This quiz will test your skills with sums, missing numbers, comparisons, and word problems. Let's go! Before starting, please subscribe to the Guess What Quiz channel for more exciting quizzes. 23 plus 15 equals. Correct. It's 38. 45 minus 22 equals. Yes, it's 23. 12 plus blank equals 20. Well done, it's 8. Can you fill in the blank? Bingo! It's 13. 19 plus 12 equals. Perfect! It's 31. Which is greater, 999 or 1000? Brilliant! It's 1000. A jar has 90 candies, 35 are eaten. How many left? Correct! It's 55. Can you find the odd one out? Correct! 88 minus 29 equals. Yes, it's 59. A bus carries 35 people, 12 more get in. Total? Perfect. It's 47. Which is smaller, 222 or 202? Bingo! It's 202. Guess the missing number. Well done! It's 22. Sarah bought 40 balloons. 15 flew away. How many left? Brilliant! It's 25. Which is greater, 105 or 150? Yes, it's 150. 42 plus 28 equals. Correct, it's 70. Find the odd one out. Bingo! A basket has 18 mangoes. Add 12 more. Total? Perfect! It's 30. Which is smaller, 40 or 14? Correct! It's 14. Can you fill in the blank? Perfect! It's 34. A farmer had 50 cows. He sold 22. How many remain? Yes, it's 28. 95 minus 37 equals. Bingo! It's 58. Which is greater, 450 or 405? Perfect. It's 450. A school has 120 students. 60 are girls. How many are boys? Brilliant. It's 60. Can you find the odd one out? Perfect. 33 minus 17 equals. Correct. It's 16. Which is greater, 56 or 65? Brilliant. It's 65. A car traveled 75 kilometers on Monday and 25 kilometers on Tuesday. Total? Yes, it's 100. 22 plus what equals 50? Well done. It's 28. Ollie had 25 pencils. He lost 7. How many remain? Bingo! It's 18. Which is smaller, 70 or 77? Correct. It's 70. 27 plus 36 equals. Yes, it's 63. Find the odd one out. Well done. A shop sold 33 toys in the morning and 27 in the evening. Total? Perfect. It's 60. Blank plus 44 is equal to 99. Brilliant. It's 55. Which is greater, 78 or 87? Bingo! It's 87. A bus has 64 birds. 19 flew away. How many left? Yes, it's 45. 50 minus 27 equals? Perfect. It's 23. Which is smaller, 305 or 503? Correct. It's 305. What goes in the blank? Well done. It's 45. Find the odd one out. Yes. A shop has 35 people. 12 more get in. Total? Brilliant. It's 47. Which is greater, 88 or 78? Perfect. It's 88. Find the missing number. Brilliant. It's 37. A shop has 33 toys in the morning and 27 in the evening. Total? Perfect. It's 60. Which is smaller, 29 or 92? Yes, It's 29. 14 plus 18 equals. Correct. It's 32. Ria has 12 apples. She gives 4 to her friend. How many left? Well done. It's 8. Can you find the odd one out? Correct. 67 plus 24 equals. Bingo! It's 91. Guess the number. Well done! It's 55. Thank you for watching. If you know all the answers, comment below and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.